So yun guys, good morning, hello. Yan, may biyahe kami ngayon with my family sa Dingalan. So di pa natin alam kung mag-iilog tayo o magdadagat. So update ko kayo mamaya guys. Na? Ayun sila oh. Order ng kape.
Okay, I love Nueva Ecija. I don't know if again.
What did happen to the last time? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we and 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
That's where we going. That's where we going.
Bato Paradise.
Is that where we going? No. That one is dangerous.
The other 11 give something from
Look at the river. Yeah, we will go. That one.
maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I don't believe I always should have stayed. Yes, this really happening. I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But what shall we
We'll see the bottom. Here guys.
That one the black.
Yeah, that's nice bottom guys. Yeah. You wanna see the bottom guys? Where are they? Wrong? Are you sitting? Nature guys. Wow.
something from nothing? Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing.
Bundok
Life
is here
changes,
guys.
just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be your
We're at the Bundok Tree. The Bundok. Camaldon. The Topinga Bridge. Approaching the Topinga River. Punta tayo ng Tinggalan, my love. Oh, the Topinga River.
Look, baby crow.
Oh, there's a lot of
A
people.
dog. I want to pet the dog. Look.
There's the Topinga River, guys. Ooh.
River. We're gonna go out now.
Oh, not yet.
But it's not here.
Yes. Wow, mag-swimming ka ka rin. Wow. It's Topinga River. Stone Age. Yeah. Sawmill. good to taste.
No, it's gonna kick you.
No. Gianna loves me.
No.
There. How? Yeah, in the mountains. There's a Carabao. We'll book it again. Yeah. No. Carabaos are yummy. It's called Carabit. Yeah. It's Carabit. Guys, kung mawagane o dito? Okay, this is the marker of Dingalan. I love Dingalan.
Look at that mountain.
That's nice.
Let's go there. I want to go. What happened to the road?
They're fixing the road. What? There's a road. That's called Pop Road. Oh, there's a Bongabilla here. Mini Bongabilla. Bongabilla. Yeah, there's a nice Bongabilla. PR break lang kami. Pero sa Dingalan na kami. CR sila. Hi. Para ito kayo remembrance. Hello.
So kami kanina sa Lens Station.
CR break. Barangay Paltik. Wow. What did you saw? Dan? What did you saw? Hi, Ma.
Oh, no, that's Louis.
We're at the Dingalan
Butterfly.
near Pacific View there.
Butterfly.
There.
Butterfly.
Sa pataas ng view deck. Guys. Ayun yung mga first five. Diba? Mga first five yan.
Bye, butterfly.
Ang gagwapo. Ito yung center namin, no? Nagmasa pa ng pandesal yun, ha? Kahapon.
So sweet.
Okay. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Kumusta yung mga puwit nyo?
So patat.
Okay lang.
I'm gonna go there.
Where's Michael? Michael?
That's the
Hey, Michael. How are you, Michael? Can I see your kilikila? Why? Sensitive. Oh no, how about Lele?
Yes.
Oh, it's Maslam and Matakaw. Hi guys. Ay, so pogi. Hi. Hi, my loves. Ay, naghihintay kami ng booking. Kasi saan tayo pupunta? Sa Ilog. Hindi. Currently bawal kasi yung magdagat ngayon kasi may low pressure area dito sa may Dingalan. So, yung pwede lang puntahan ay yung mga falls and rivers. So, kahit yung Pacific View deck, bawal din puntahan. no, it's a penguin. I'll cook it. Fried penguin. Okay? Okay guys. Yan guys, kumapasyal tayo dito sa Dingalan, no? KKH, Tarantula. Malapit lang yan dito sa may Pacific View din. Featherford.
Ayan. So, we're here in the Feather Port. Ayan. Papunta na tayo dun sa falls nearby. Okay. So, pag nandun na tayo, we're gonna vlog it, guys. So, andito tayo sa market. Wet market. I think, dapat dito tayo bumili ng Ayan. So, here's the Feather Port, guys. Ay, dito ata bibili ng uling G.
Bibili.
Oh, Beo.
Yeah, mama.
I wanna go!
It's a drop pod. Wow. Ito lang tayo.
Anong iwalan dyan, ha? I want the bird.
Ganda. Featherford. Wow. Ito na.
Well, are tayo. Tikin ka papunta tayo. That one where we gonna park?
Oh.
We're going out now. Ay, di sana rin muna.
To the last time. Ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave.
Mahogany
Now I'm
Falls.
seeing all the signs. Is this really
Ito tayo papunta.
We're going to Mahogany.
I'm just
Mahogany
as surprised
Falls.
as you.
Sabi nila, medyo matarik, but let's kung matarik na.
I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come
Meron
on
tayong tour guide kasi pag first time mo dito, kailangan may tour guide. Kasi ako member, maliligaw ka, you don't know, purok Lara. So makakaroon tayong purok dito.
Papunta tamo tayo guys.
So, eto na siya. So, hindi tayo masa-pressure. Baka kasi makapture natin like the other like the other video. Diba? What happened? Alright. Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
Hindi nga pinitanda lang papunta nga.
Where? Oh, pressure. Alright. Then, ayan na siya. Patayin natin ang aircon. No, kaya natin to, guys.
Papunta ka dito. I turned it off already. Batanes ng Dagit.
Sabi ko, first time ko lumimot ng malayo. Oh, diba? Alright. Ganun pala dapat. Oh, eto pa. Ganun pala dapat katubuan yung mga Yeah, we're up.
First up, dapat main carry. Batanes ng Dagit to.
I can video it. Alright.
Kuya, ano muna kayo dyan?
Pwede mo ba picture mo? Yay! Okay, so nandito tayo sa Batanes of the East. Wala yung cellphone ko din.
Baba yata yun. Hi guys! Dito tayo sa ano, Batanes.
Hi, Lay. Hi, ate. 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 Ay. May bangkaw. Ang tapang nila. Lighthouse. Hi. Hi, there's a lighthouse. Hi! Hi, Baba PR.
Hello!
Hi, Ate Day. Ay, alright ka na. Ay, hi, Leonard.
Hi. Welcome back to my vlog. Hi, Kuya Mark.
Hello,
Hi, Kuya Mark.
what's up vlog?
Kamusta yung pag-akyat? Ay! 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 Dito ready! Hello! Picture daw, picture. Picture ba? Picture. Sama ka. Sama tayo.
Human drone.
Wow, galing!
Ah, yung group picture. Kayo po.
Wow.
Paano yung picture dito?
Hindi, naka-video yun. Bagong ano pa lang to? Hi!
Ay, susi pa.
Bakit?
Yung may kukunin ako.
Lock me ha? Guys, Pacific View dyan. Pacific View. Oh, nakasaltingkan ko eh. Tara. Oh, first time para-parehong manik ka yun. Yang kayo kay Mami panik ko yun. Halika kami. Wow. Halina kayo, may load kami. Ayun lang muna. Wow.
Yan yung view na.
Wow.
Pero yung menu na iga magkasaya talaga.
Wow, minurong yun. Wow. Patagya ano kaya ni?
Kaya ko.
Kaya?
Malakas pa ako sa
Yun.
sakit ng muna.
Punta kaming ano, Pacific View Deck.
Pacific View kayo di?
Wow.
Pababa!
Baba, ayun no.
Magpagulog-gulog na ka. Magpagulog-gulog na kami.
Kayo pa ba?
Ano nakiusap niya? Bawal talaga pumasok.
Bawal pumasok sa view deck.
Bawal talaga.
Bawal talaga daw.
Nakiusap ako. Spider in our house.
Oh no.
Ate.
Spider.
Spider.
Guys, there's a spider, guys. Ah, let's go, let's go.
I will give you to the spider.
Let's go, let's go. Yan guys, malapit na kami sa view deck.
Bro, SMX SM.
Hi guys.
Hi po. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Po siya. Up, up,
Up, up, up, up.
Ahod ka, Logan.
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 Kaya pa? Kaya pa ba? Tara, sabay natin tuklasan ng view deck. Siyempre. I love you, my love.
Love you.
Hello.
Hi, Dad.
Hindi, ano yung meron yan?
Kaya pa?
Kuhan ko yung Pacific Ocean.
Okay.
Yung view ng Pacific Ocean. Ano?
May mga railing na dito. Pwedeng hawakan. Ay, nakakapagod din pala. Kaya pa, ma?
Yep.
Kaya pa. Hiningal na ako Na?
Then chinela sila.
January dapat magdinatamo mo. Ayan guys. Pakyat. Wapin.
Aray, ate.
Aro mo. Ano yung ulam takan yan?
Ay, kasantik kayo ni Paukyat.
Yan.
Ay, nako, kaganda-ganda.
Ay, nako.
Ay, sarap dito, Paukyat.
Marano pala kanyan din.
Makagi sa tatong balbadok.
Wow. Ayan guys, done. Wow.
Sana managit yung
Para
pampangin.
magkakaginas makaling.
Pamiling sta mo, ham na?
Nakit kakaginas ngayon, pagtakana ka.
Ay na lang po yung das.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Good morning po.
Shoutout ka pala sa nanay ko, nandito ako ngayon sa Dinggalan, di ako umuwi ngayon.
Nice.
Shoutout po. Sa manager ko sir, naglib ako.
Nice.
Shoutout
Okay, shoutout po.
Shoutout.
Ingat po.
Ingat po. Pa-shoutout naman po dyan.
Shoutout po sa mga taga Bulacan.
Okay, shoutout. Nice. Good morning po. Ingat po kayo.
Ingat po, ingat.
Opo. Ayan na. Woo! Ayan na ba yun? Ayan na. Ganda.
May nakalakay na close ngayon.
Wala, close daw.
No license to operate, no business mayor's permit.
Oh.
Oh, kaya huwag kang gugulong. Dali.
Wow, ang ganda. Oh, nice.
Oh, ganda yun, no?
Grabe.
Ganda.
Grabe, kasandig pala.
Saan tangyapin? Okay, baba ka lang. Sige, huwag kang papawisin. Maligo ka na lang mamaya.
Guys, may pinya dito.
Oo.
Nakatanim lang sa ano. Ganda.
Saglit lang naman po. Pwede po
Pa.
Huwag lang po tayo magtagal.
Okay po. Salamat po.
Marami kasi ang susumbong mo sa Radika.
Ganun po.
Oy, bilisan lang natin ha.
Bilisan nyo lang po kami tapos sabi.
Nagtaka nga kami.
Para hindi kayo mga...
Oh, ganda.
Okay, tara po dun sa ano, picture agad tayo para mabilis.
Pacific View Deck. Ganda. Ganda, grabe. Malap. Oh, okay tama. Hi.
Dito.
Ano ka rin? Tayo. Dari lang yung phone mo?
Oo.
Tayo. Kat ang phone mo.
Hi!
Yun lang ni Pati.
Hi! Kasanting kayo ni Batanes. Basanting pin.
What's this black thing?
Panatili, malinis ang lugar ng Batanes. Maganda nga. Hi, Rang!
Nandun pa ka.
Hi, Lay! Hi!
Hello, kuya, ang ganda.
May pawas ko! Ganda!
At ayun yung mga boys.
Let's go! Guys, mission complete. Pacific View Deck. Natuloy na to. Ayan, kasama sila. Saya nila oh. Solid na pagod dito guys. Oh, dito ka Renz! Sige! Orange. Batang ka Renz. Mais ka. Mais ka. Magandang bumalik dito sa Batanes. Yeah. Ay! Ay, no! Shout out, Thomas!
Shout out! Walang tayong group pala.
Ganda. Ganda guys. Ganda. Welcome to Pacific View Deck. Ganda ka. Pababa dito. Yes! Huling sulyap. Sa ngayon, babalik tayo dito. Nakamotor naman guys. Ganda. Let's go. Nga pag-picture tamo kaya? Family. Okay. Nice.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Hungry. Let's go.
Go, Daddy.
Let's go. O yan, palis na kami dito guys.
Bina?
Punta kami sa may river.
Dapat tumalon na tayo sa
Or falls.
Oh, 0.5 natin. Tara, point. Nice, nice.
Pahabol pa.
0.5.
Sige.
0.5.
Yun, sige.
Uy, di ako marunong kumindot.
Kaya niya, no? Sige.
Sige, dito ako kayo rin. Dito ako sa likod din. Huwag kumindot ano.
Di ba nagpipicture? 0.5 mo na lang. O, sige, naka-video na rin kayo. Hi. O, sige. Bye. Picture pa. 0.5. Sali ako. Bep, punong-puno ka na ng ano, video. Hindi mo kailangan yung picture. Ganda. Yan guys, papuntang Baler. Ayun oh. Kita nyo ba yung daan? Yun, dun.
Worth it po, pero ito na kasi sinulit ko na, last na talaga. May abs na po.
Dati po ako 38 kg, feel ko 35 na lang po.
Yung
Op, yeah.
Hi guys! Say hi!
Hello.
We're here at the falls. Falls Palau. Lalabas na daw ang gamit. Sure. Say hi, Gan. Hi! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're wearing your swimsuit?
Yeah.
Going. Look. Say hi, guys. Ayan, oh.
Tara na.
We have our gamit, stove, etc. Oh,
Tara na, Koy. Wala tayong pangkalan na.
let's go.
Wow, yung dalaga. Be,
Okay, guys.
sabay-sabay na
Let's
balikan.
go.
Nakuha mo na pa yung gamit.
Ito mag-slide dyan.
We're here. Babasa, ah.
Phone lalo yun naman. Una ka, Be. Careful.
We already done that. Video mo? Siyempre.
I remember tong crazy experience.
Oo, ma-remember tong crazy experience.
Gagawa ko pa ng music video.
Gusto mo? Ikaw kakanta?
No!
We're here. Aray! Dahan-dahan lang kasi kapag nag-slide ka, kabog ka na. Oh, ang cutie. Ang cutie naman. May manok! Logan! Chicken, no?
My chicken friends are back!
Yo! Asan? We're here. Hala, ang cute!
Pinapatay mo kasi yung memory card. No? Papakita mo, tas.
Kaya nga. Oh, that's so cutie.
Ha?
Ay, ba't namatay? Lobat?
Hindi.
Clean?
Yeah. Yes. Don't drink it, ah. Say hi.
Hi, guys!
So cold. Try natin.
The waterfall! The waterfall!
Ay, lamig!
Arden!
Ate, nung wala lang ba?
Joke.
Ayan! Maniwala. Ate, siya yung unang-unang nakataksa ng lahat.
Ganyan ka na? Lab, dala mo ba yung binili natin kapan?
Nagpack lang kami.
Ano yan, fish? Fish?
Opo.
Wow.
Yung mamarinate.
Ano river? Nano la rin, fish?
Ito kaya?
Wow.
Blue marlin and European and
Anong lulutuin mo, kuya?
ihaw.
Sarap. Kuha, asan yung rice?
Kinunta natin. Mas malakas lang. Halata yun sa'yo rin.
Malamig ang tubig guys, pero malinis ha. Tingnan mo. Linis ng tubig. Marimla Jay. Kaya ba mag-swimming? Aros?
Pakumigla ka silang. Grabe. Tayo yung mga dyan.
Tingnan mo guys. Agos. Wait. Yeah, I know. Tell nanay to buy you. Tell nanay, you want ice cream? Linis ng tubig. Grabe. Ganda oh. Hihiga ako dun mamaya. Diyan. Sige na. Op, yeah. Anong tawag dyan? Tuna?
Ano po kaya?
Marlin.
Blue Marlin.
Blue Marlin. Wow, sarap.
Blue Marlin.
Okay lang po yan.
Opo.
Puso ba na lang?
With dahon.
Ayun! Flip. Lagyan natin down sa baba.
Para ikaw, alika po.
Pwede na niya, kuya?
Nagpapaypay pa rin yung sa bata. Yun. Kulang yan, ano kulang dyan?
May alphonse ba dyan? Ay, meron? Ah, ito tayo dyan.
Kailan na?
Meron pa, ganun, no?
4x4. 2x2 po. 2x2. 2x2 anak. Ito yung mga 4.
Ikon yan?
Barbecue.
Mahaba po yun.
Oo, sige.
Ikot na no?
Opo.
Ikot lang.
Sarap niyan.
Ay, nadali ka.
Kuha sige.
Ay, bigkay.
Dali lang po para hindi tayo agad mamaya. Bilihan ko lang tubig. Ay, maglalakad na kayo? Tumatawag sa akin. Nakabili ka kuya? Nakabili ka? Kaya yung nagbabantay po dito sa ito ay tindahan. Ah, meron siya. Kanina. Po? Brown rice. Brown rice.
Ay, ito kakapagkita ng ginawa ng Terika, Styro.
Meron pa po.
Mamaya.
Sarap. Hi guys. May nahuli ako doon, no? Bakit? Oh, ano ka? Yan mo na pakabal ka dyan. Ganda guys. Okay. Fresh. Okay. Kakain na daw. Tatalon ako dun mamaya guys. Dun. Kakain na po!
Agi-agi mo rin. Agi-agi.
Kakain na guys. Oh, magkakaroon sila. Ano ba yata? Abalo na rin matakawan niya. Kaya ito ba kung subo? Dengat mo lang, lumal na lang. Yati Luis, may yakit sa kay camera. Ito.
Yung man na ako. Nakakamera ako.
Alam mo, maraming kami nito. May manok na ako. May pakapakan nyo, yung manok yun tayo. May manok pa po lang po yun. Ang balik na itang lupin mo rin doon. May luto kayo, kaya. Okay, Emilwal, balagala ka ng mabulay niya. Pirito kayo tapos kinaisi.
Kilala dapat.
Yan. Hello, Ate Luis. Wait, may itong kaya tayo, video kaya. Ay, kakain na rice? Bawal kayo yung rice? Sweet na pa mo?
Ay, wow! Ito ka! Wow!
Nina, no?
Yan ang tanong pa mga.
Wow, ali, mga nakano nga doon. Ali, ano natin yan? Ay, wow, Yan guys, nagsisiling na po sila kasi tapos na sila kumain. Napakaganda ng tubig, napakalinis. Ano pala to? Dika River ang tawag sa kanya. Dito sa may Dika Road. Sa may Dingalan. Napakaganda ng tubig. Worth it ang biyahe. Yan na. At yan na sila oh. Kaya balik ka pa Australia rang? Mama na ka mami, paulan na lang yan. Okay. Nandun na sila.
Hi guys!
So what are you feeling right now? Are you cold? Hindi, I'm warm. So warm, ang init ng tubig parang may umihi. Seryoso. Ako yun. Ako yun. Ay, ikaw yun. Pero nga. Peram!
Okay. Hello. Hey. Tatalon kami guys.
Masarap ata doon?
Masarap doon, nakakit ka naman. Ito. Papunta kami doon sa ano, tatalonan namin.
mga bato-bato. Ayun na. Lager na ako ngayon. No! Natakot ako? Natakot akong tumalan. Kuhanan mo na lang ako. Kuhanan mo na lang ako.
Awas.
Ano mo ako ha?
Sige, awas. Natakot for today's video.
Hey! Ano na? Ano na? Ano na? Dali! Malaki yung kinakain na GB nito per ano?
Wait lang. Ayun. Sa kubo.
Ah.
Eric! Nandun sa kubo.
Go, talon. Talon na! Dali ah! Dali! Hina. Hindi yan. Ay, love! Dali, talon na. Mag 1 minute ka na nandyan. Oo, dali mo na. Hina.
Langgat siyang
Paano? Pa cannonball?
Hindi, pag ano, tayo ka.
Layo ka pa, layuan mo yung talon mo. Hindi, dito ka tumalan tapos palayo. Go! Jump! Tagal mo ha. Bira.
Saan? Dito. Talon na ako. Paupo pa tayo. Di masakit? Di masakit? Ay!
Tinatawa na kasi dito. Dali na.
Huwag mo ko tutulak ka. Ba't kita tutulak?
Talon.
Dali ah. Ready? Set, go! Go. Ah. Maubos yung memory. Go. Alam. Tama ka na. Yung oras. Alam, tanong ka.
And so, we're going home na, guys. Yes! Did you enjoy? Yeah! Alright! We all had some fun! Alright! Bye, vlog!
Hi guys. Hi guys. Pauwi na kami. Hi guys. Boy pa kami eh. Pauwi na kami guys.
So, tapusin na natin ang vlog dito. Yung box ng Pimple Store dyan pa rin. Bye, ma! Bye!
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day
through the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the